Yes, Ethan. So let's see here. Today we will learn the numbers beyond 9,99,999. Okay. So first of all, you have to see the presentation. I will explain the basic things which will be very important for understanding the concepts. Okay, for build the concepts
Yes,
which will be helpful in the future. Okay, or in the
yes,
next classes also. Yeah, so
yes, sir.
let's see here. We have to learn the number beyond 9,99,999, right?
Yes,
First
sir.
of all, can you please tell me how many digits are here? And this number is of how many digits?
Sir, 6 digits.
Six digits. Very good, है ना? So we can say that कि this is six digit number, right? Can you imagine? Can you notice
Yes, sir.
one more thing which is hidden here? Is it six digit smallest number? Is it six digit greatest number? Or is it any number between smallest six digit or greatest six digit? Can you please tell me what type of this number is? Is it smallest six digit number?
Sir, it's the greatest 6 digit number.
Yes, very good, है ना? So this is the greatest six digit number, right? है ना? Okay. NO and dot. This is the short form of number. Okay. NUMB a number and
Yes,
NO dot is the short form of number. Okay. But whenever you will write in your copy, please go with the full word. Okay. Not the short form. Is it clear now?
yes, sir.
So this is the
Yes,
greatest six digit number, right? And the
yes,
second thing is, can you please tell me how we will read it or how we will write it? How we will
sir.
read it?
Sir,
Huh?
we'll read it as nine, nine, nine hundred
9.
ninety-nine.
No, no, no. First, see in which format it is
No,
written.
no, no, no.
Indian place
Oh,
value
okay, okay.
system or international?
Indian Special
Yes,
System.
Indian place value system, na?
Nine.
So we have to read
Yes,
it
sir.
in Indian place value system. Yeah, now tell
Yes, sir.
me. 9
9,99,999.
lakh, yes, 99,900, है ना?
Yes, sir.
999, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, is it clear?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
can let's do a experiment with this number, okay? Or we will play
Yes.
with this number. Uh, you have to do, okay? Let's check what we will get if we will add one more in this number. Can you please check it?
Yes, sir.
What number or what type of number we will get when we will add one in this number? Sorry. Yes, please check it.
Sir,
Hmm.
we will get
You can do in your rough copy, है ना? Please open your class work copy
yes, sir.
and just do for it. Do the addition just. These things you have to not note down, okay? These are the you can say that we are doing just the basic things, okay?
Yes, sir.
And here I'm going to introduce the number beyond 9,99,999. So you have to just check what you will get or what type of number you will get when we will add 1 in this number.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So did you get the number? Yes. So you got the answer? Hello, you are on mute. Hello.
Sir,
You got the answer?
sir, you're not audible. Your voice is kind of breaking. There's some kind of sound.
Hello. Hello.
Sir, 1 minute.
Yeah, everything is okay now?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Yeah, please tell me what number you got.
10 lakh.
10 lakh. Very good. है ना? Yes. See here. 9 plus 1. What it will be?
10.
9 plus 1. 10. So here we will write 0 in hand 1. Again it will become 9 plus 1. 10. है ना? So
Yes,
0
sir.
in hand 1. Again it will be 9 plus 1. 10. 0 in hand
Okay.
1. 9 plus 1. 10. So 0 in hand 1. 9 plus 1. 10. Again 0 in hand 1. So here it will be 9 plus 1. And here we will write 10. Okay? So when you
Yes,
will
sir.
read it, है ना? So when you will read it, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Is it clear? So here
Yes, sir.
we can say that this number is 10 lakh, right? है ना? And can you
Yes,
count the
sir.
number of digits? How many digits are here?
Sir, there
How many digits
are
are here?
7 digits.
Seven
7
digits.
digits.
Very good. है ना? So here we can say
Yes, sir.
that this is 7 digit number, right? One more thing we
Yes,
can
sir.
say that na कि this is first 7 digit number or second 7 digit number or random 7 digit number. This
Sir,
is the
it's the smallest 7 digit number.
Yes, this is the first 7 digit number. So we will say that this is smallest 7 digit number, right?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear
Yes, sir.
or any doubt? So
No,
whenever
sir.
it will ask about the smallest 7 digit number, at that time we will write 10 lakh. Is it clear now? Acha, do
Yes,
you
sir.
know I have a trick to write greatest digit number and smallest digit number. So do you want to know that trick?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see here how we will do it. Okay, it's a very interesting. You have to just keep few things in your mind, है ना? Just
Yes, sir.
wait a minute. Hmm. We have two things, right? The first one is smallest number,
Yes, sir.
smallest number. The
Yes, sir.
second is greatest number, right?
Greatest number.
Second thing is ki greatest number, right?
Yes, sir.
Greatest number. As an example, suppose it is asking for 4 digit. Okay, so it is asking for 4 digit smallest number. Whenever it will talk about the smallest number, just write 1 and write the number of zeros one less than digit it is asking. As here it is asking for 4 digits, so here we will write 3 zeros. It will be the smallest four
Yes,
digit
sir.
number. Okay, and whenever it will ask about the greatest number, we will
Yes,
write that times 9, है ना? So as here it is asking 4 digit, greatest 4 digit,
yes,
so here we will write 4 times 9. Okay, this is the trick. Right? As Now let's see here 5 digit number. Okay, 5 digit. Suppose it is asking for 5
yes,
digit smallest number, then we will write 1 and the number of zeros how many times it will be
Four
one
times.
less, है ना? Yes, one less. So
Yes.
5 minus 1 means 4. So here we will write
4.
4 times 0. Okay. So this will be the
Yes.
smallest 5-digit number. And when it will be asked greatest 5-digit number, then how many times we will write 9? How many times?
Uh,
5-digit,
just
na? So
five
here we will
number.
write 5,
5 times
5.
9.
Yeah, very good, है ना? 5 times 9, okay? So it will be 99,999. Similarly, when it will ask for 6-digit number, okay? Suppose smallest 6-digit number. So what we will write first? First we will write 1, है ना?
Sir,
And how many times
sir,
0?
1.
Yes.
Sir,
How many times 0?
5 times 0.
5 times 0. Very good. So one less, है ना? The number of 0 will be one less. Okay. So as it is
1 less.
6, so it will
Yes,
be
sir.
5. Yeah. And the number will be 1 lakh. Similarly, when it will ask for greatest 6-digit number, then how many times we will write 9? Yes, tell me.
6 times 9.
6 times. That's all. Too simple, है ना? Okay. So is it clear? So this is the
Yes,
trick.
sir.
Okay. In this you can write it,
Yes.
but always go with the concepts. It will be more better, है ना? This is the just trick. Okay. When you will forgot the concepts or the answer in exam, then at that time for emergency you can use it. Okay. So that you will not
Yes, sir.
lose the marks. Okay. But
Yes, sir.
always prefer to go with the concepts. Okay. Is it
Yes,
clear
sir.
now? Okay, now let's see
Yes.
here to come our topic. This is we get this is 7-digit number, and as here
Yes, sir.
this is the 7-digit number just after the greatest 6-digit number, right? So this
Yes,
will
sir.
be the first 7-digit number after the 6-digit number, right? So
Yes, sir.
that's why we can say it smallest. Here I forgot to write 7. Smallest 7-digit number.
Good
Is it
number.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Or any doubt? So these
No,
are
sir.
the important points which you have to keep in mind, है ना? So if you want to note down it, you can note down these things, okay? But these are just the introduction things, okay? Uh, but few important things are hidden here, just like this is the smallest 7-digit number, that was the greatest 6-digit number, okay? How we will
Yes, sir.
read the greatest 6-digit number, or how we will write it, so and how we will read or write the smallest 7-digit number. These are the important things, okay?
Yes,
So
sir.
if you want to note down it, you can note down, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we will do some practice for more 7-digit numbers, okay? Such as an example, you have to read it, ki how we will read it, okay? You have to
Yes,
tell
sir.
me how we will read these numbers. The first one is this one. Can you please tell me how we will read it?
Sir,
As a
20,000, 20, 20 lakh thousand.
20 lakh thousand,
No, 20 lakh, that's all.
20 lakh, that's one, है ना?
Yes, sir.
As a heading, you can give some more 7-digit numbers, okay? As a heading, you can give some more 7-digit numbers, okay? So the first one, this will be read as
Sir,
20 lakh.
20,000.
Uh,
20, 20
20
lakh,
lakh
20
is
lakh.
an. हाँ.
20 lakh.
Next one is this one. Tell me.
Sir, 30 lakh.
30 lakh. Too simple, right? है ना?
Yes, sir.
30 lakh. Okay. Uh, Next one is, tell me, this one.
Sir, 60 lakh.
60 lakh. Very good. 60 lakh. Okay. Uh, hmm, just wait a minute. This one,
80 lakh.
80 lakh. Very good. 80 lakh. Acha, this one, this one.
90 lakh 99,999.
Wow, that's great. So it is 90 lakh. After that,
99,999.
99,900, na?
Yes, sir.
999, right?
Yes, sir. 99.
99. Okay. So these are some more seven-digit number, right? है ना? Similarly, we
Yes, sir.
can do for others, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, can you please tell me what will be the greatest seven-digit number?
Um,
Greatest seven-digit number. As I or first try to do it by your concept. Okay, if you are unable
yes, sir.
or if you are getting doubts, then you can do with the short trick. है ना? As the short trick I
Yes,
told
sir.
you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Don't write now for anything. Okay, I will give the separate time. First, tell me this one. Greatest seven-digit number. Greatest seven-digit number. What it will be?
Sir, my greatest seven-digit number will be,
Yes.
sir, 9 lakh 99,999.
9,99,000. This one. No, this is greatest six-digit number.
Oh, six digit. Okay.
No.
Uh,
Use the trick. How many times here you have to write 9? It's greatest seven-digit number. So how many times you will write 9?
sir, 7 times 9 we'll have to write.
7 times 9. Very good. Now read it.
Sir,
Now read it.
99
What it will
lakh
be?
99
Yes.
lakh
Will be
9,900
hmm,
99,999.
99 lakh. Na?
Yes,
99,000. Right? After
yes,
that,
sir.
999. 99. Okay? Is
Right.
it clear? So this will be the greatest 70. Are you writing, Ethan? I
Sir,
said
I
now,
thought that
please
you're
don't.
giving me time for writing it last.
I will give the time, okay? I will give the separate time. So for now, please don't write it, okay? Acha. So did you understand?
Yeah.
After greatest six digit number, we get seven digit number, है ना? After six digit number, we get
Yes, sir.
seven digit number. So as here we learned about the smallest seven digit number. After that, we learned about some more seven digit numbers, and slowly we
Yes, sir.
go to greatest seven digit number, right? है ना? So
Yes.
first note down this one. If there is any doubt, then please tell me. So is there any doubt?
No, sir, no doubt.
No. Then first of all, please note down it, and then we will do the next one. Okay? First note
Sir,
the part. Yeah. Tell me.
after this, should I send a picture of this?
What?
After this, should I send a picture?
No, 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 not now. Okay. Here just you are
Oh,
no noting this one, na? So that's why. Okay. Please note down it. So noted this one now.
Yes, sir.
Please note down now these lines, the last one.
Yes.
So done.
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
If there is any doubt or will be, then please tell me, है ना? I
Yes,
will
sir.
clear everything, okay? Yes.
Yes.
So now let's we will do the same experiment with the greatest seven digit number, okay?
Yes, sir.
So let's try it. Add plus 1 and let's see what you will get the number after greatest 7 digit number. Just try it and tell me.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
1 crore.
Yes, Ethan?
Sir, it's 1 crore.
Yes, good. है ना? So when we will add plus 1 in 99 lakh 99,909, we will get 1 crore. है ना? So let's see here how we will get it. 9 plus 1, 10.
10.
0 in hand 1. 9 plus 1 again 10. So 0 in hand 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 0 in hand 1. Similarly we will do it like this here, है ना? So 9 plus 1, 10 in hand 1, but here it will be 9 plus 1, it will be 10, right? So when you will count it ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and after that it is crore. So this will be read as 1 crore, right? है ना? It will be read as 1 crore. Okay? Or any doubt? Just tell me.
No, sir.
Okay. Just wait a minute.
Yes, sir.
So it will be 1 crore, right? है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let's see here what we can say. Can you please count how many digits are here? Let's count it.
Sir, 8.
8. Yes, very good. So it is 8 digit number, right? 8 digit number. Now as you can see we get this digit just after the greatest 7 digit number, right? So we can say that now
Yes, sir.
this is the first 8 digit number, right? This is the
Yes, sir.
first 8 digit number. With this we can also say one thing to this number. What we can say that this is the
This is the 10th place. Now,
no
this is the great,
you're
smallest,
yes, it will be smallest
smallest
8 digit number. Very
digit number.
good, है ना? So it will be smallest 8 digit number, right? Is it clear or any doubt?
No, sir, no.
No, na? Yeah. So similarly, we can find some more 8 digits number, right? Some more 8 digit numbers. है ना? As an example, you have
Yes.
to read it, okay? Let it be 3000000. What it will be read as? It will be read as?
Sir,
Yes, tell me. Too simple.
3
Just read.
lakh.
3, no,
No,
not
3
lakh.
crore.
3 crore. Yes, है ना? It will be 3 crore. Okay. And let one more example. 8000000. Yes, now tell me. Too
Sir,
simple. Huh.
8 crore.
8 crore. Very good. 8 crore, right? Can you read this number? 9 9 9 9 9 9 9 9. It's mean I have written here 9 in all place. है ना? In all places I have written 9, right? So what it will be?
Yes.
Can you please
Sir,
read it?
it will be 9 lakh 99
Yes.
9 crore
हाँ
99 lakh
हाँ.
99,999.
Yes, very good. 9 crore 99 lakh 99 lakh
9 lakh.
99,000 9 crore 99 lakh 99,000 है ना 1999. Okay, 999, right? Is it clear or any
Yes.
doubt? Okay na. So can
No, sir.
you notice one thing here? uh, this is the what type of 8 digit number?
Sir, this is the greatest age number.
Yes, very good. So here we can say that this is greatest 8 digit number, right? है ना? Is it clear or any doubt? So is there any doubt?
No, sir.
First I here introduced the 8 digit number, है ना? Then we
No,
saw
no,
this is the smallest 8 digit number. After that we learned some more 8 digit numbers, and slowly we move
Yes, sir.
towards the greatest 8 digit number, right? है ना?
Yes,
So
sir.
first of all, please note down these points. Okay, then note down these points, and after that we will see the number, what number we will get after greatest 8 digit number. Okay, is it clear now? So
Yes,
first
sir.
of all, please note down it. Yeah, okay. So did you get all these things now?
Yes, sir.
Now the last is, just wait a minute. Can you please check what we will get if we will add 1 on this greatest 8 digit number? 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. So when we will add 1, what we will get? Can you please check it?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. No, it's
Sir,
not
10
1 crore.
crore.
10 crore. Yes. है ना? It will be 10 crore. Very good. है ना? Let's see here how it will be 10 crore. Okay. Hmm. So when you will add 9 plus 1, it will be 10. So 0 in hand 1, 9
9.
plus 1, 10, 0 in hand 1. So like this we will do. Here it will be 0, 0, 0, 0, and here it will be 9 plus 1, it will be 10. है ना? So when you will count it, you will get ones, tens,
10.
hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay. So this is read as 10 crore. Okay. Or any is it clear now? Can you
Yes.
please check how many
Yes,
digits
sir.
are here? How many digits are here?
9 digits.
9 digits. Very good. So we can say that this is 9 digit number, right? And what we can say that about this? What type of 9 digit number? So it will be, yes, tell me.
Just the smallest 9 digit.
Yeah, it is smallest 9 digit number. Okay, so in this way you can do for the number beyond this smallest 9 digits number. Okay, so I think now you can do it, है ना? Okay, and now I think your concept has been clear till here. In the next class, first of all, please note down it. And
Yes.
in the next class, we will discuss the place value, Indian place value chart. Okay. So now we shall extend our place value chart by introducing a new period, that is crore. Okay. So in the previous class we have already learned about the
Yes.
period lakh. Now we can introduce, or we will learn about the periods crore. Okay. So we can extend the Indian place value system till crore now. Okay, is it clear? And this part we will do in our next class. Okay, so for today, is there any doubt? Yes, tell
No,
me.
sir. No.
No. So first, as you have noted all this point in your class or copy, right?
Yes, sir.
In homework, you have to note down all these points in your fair copy or homework copy. Okay, in with neat and clean handwriting. Okay, please don't do
Yes.
the mistakes over handwriting anything. Okay, and to send it to me as soon as possible. Okay, please try to send it today. Okay, is it clear now? So any doubt? Yes, please confirm me. Is there any doubt? Hello? Hello, Ethan, am audible? Ethan?
Yes, sir. Here.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
You
for
can.
today, that's all.